internet, welcome back to my channel. So today I have May's Zenpop box, which I'm very excited to open. Wow, this looks very chill. Very calm, very chill. Oh my gosh, and there's Luna in there as well. So, okay. So this looks like a foodie, bakery sort of box, and I'm all for it. Let's get started. Also just letting you guys know that if my voice sounds funny or there's a lot of cuts, it's because I'm not well. I'm down with a cold right now, but I don't have much time, and so when I can film, I have to film, and that's why I'm pushing through and filming. But that's okay. I've got some tea on the side to help soothe my throat, but we will push through regardless. So first is a memo pad of lots of delicious looking food. So you got one side here with the design and then the other side blank. It's weird that they faced it around this way. Usually it's the other way around, but that looks really cute. Then we have some stickers. I won't open these just because I think you can see them better just here. This is what all the stickers are. And they're quite big, to be honest. Like, in comparison to flake stickers, this is way bigger. This looks like a bunch of note paper as well. Yeah, you can kind of see. It's like, oh, I don't know the term for it, but it's pastry with cream on the inside, or chocolate. And it's just a bunch of post-it notes. All right, so here is what it looks like, and it's all like puffy. But when you open it, it is a notepad, essentially. And these are really, like, honestly, I have one of Shiba Inu, a dog, and I actually use it to label the dates on frozen goods because there's so much glue on this, so they stick really well. So in the freezer, they last a lot better than a regular post-it note. This one popped up over. This is, it's an eraser, but it's just like a sandwich eraser. How cute is this? Can you take it apart? Yes, you can. They have little bits and pieces to nail it in, but I think it's just cute. It's so cute. Ooh, lots of different washi paper and a little dispenser as well. You can see all the different designs, all very bread related, and a little dispenser for them, which is great. And then we have kind of a pencil case, a clear pencil case with pocket here and a pocket here, so you can put some pens in here, stickers, post-it notes. We have some pens that I will test out at the end of this video, and then sticker sheet. Oh my gosh, these are really cute, I'm not gonna lie. Remind me of spring, which I think in retrospect this is essentially what this box is representing, which feels weird because we're in autumn right now in Australia, but this does look delicious. So let's go test out those pens. First pen is a brand and pen that you've probably seen featured quite a bit because I feel like I'm getting a lot of these in the boxes recently. This is a Uni pen, 0.38 in brown. And I already know these write really well. They're very smooth. They don't skip much. Yeah, there's nothing bad to say about them. They're very comfortable gel pens. This next set, again, this is something I think I've seen, but not in these colors. I think I have them in different colors. Guitar pens in 0.3, so it's really fine. And they're kind of these like autumnal colors, which is strange given that this is supposed to be like a spring kit, but it's still very bakeryish. Despite being autumnal, I guess bakery, autumn, kind of similar. So even though they are 0.3, because they're felt tip, they don't feel that fine. I actually quite like this. I feel like it's very comfortable to write in. So you've got like a medium brown, a tan sort of orange color, and then a dark brown. Those are really nice colors. I think I'd actually really enjoy writing in these. So yeah, that is everything in the May Zenpop box. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.